This 2020 Black Series HQ15 Black Series camper is a travel trailer RV. It is located in featuring Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV featuring Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Black Series is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.